Hey guys, today I have a quick review of the Kollgux Backseat car extender. So how this works is it comes in a nice little storage container here. I'm going to show you how to install it, and then we're going to get Winnie in the back seat and see how she likes it. This does have a hard bottom, so it's nice and kind of secure for her. And it should keep her from getting the leather seats in this car dirty, because we take her to swim in ponds and creeks and all kinds of stuff, and she can get pretty dirty. So let's take a closer look at this and then we'll get it installed. So like I mentioned here, just a very simple carrying case with two handles here and then a zipper. So we will go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. All right, so I can already see this has some orange accents to it, black and orange. That looks pretty nice. We've got the soft portion here, and then it looks like the hard panels come in separately, and we'll either insert these into here or they'll rest on the bottom. We'll have to look at it. But let's go ahead and get this installed. Looks like we've got a couple clips here. One of them is a seat belt, so she can be locked in back there and not keep trying to get in the front seat like she always does. So that's good. And then these will probably go around the headrest to hold it up. These are more plastic clips. So let's get into installation. So as with all my videos, I'm gonna try to install this without looking at the instructions. And if I can do it like that, then obviously it's not too difficult to do. So this has a nice kind of bumpy texture. So I believe that this goes on the bottom here. And then we should have these little things right here, which go up and around the headrest, so that's easy enough to see. Come in here and put this one around this headrest. So now it's starting to kind of take shape here. This will go around this front headrest, and same with over there. And then this is what we use those little plastic clips for, to hold up against this right here to hold the ends up. Okay, now it's time to install the hard bottom plates here. There is a softer side and a harder side. You want the softer side up, and this unzips right here. So if I unzip this back, then we should be able to fit these plates in here. So I'll start from this side first. And it is a good snug fit, which is what you want. Okay, that one's done. Now you can see a good hard surface for the dog to walk on. Now we'll do this one. For the final one over here. All right, so now we've got kind of the base structure in place, but notice this is kind of loose. So you do have the ability to adjust these and make it a lot tighter. So that's what we're gonna do here. And now you can see a nice straight wall. So I'm a little big to be climbing in this car, but I'll show you guys how it's done. Okay, now from here, one of the more important parts, and you can go ahead and take the back off for this, is these things right here. So these are meant to be tucked down into the seat here to basically anchor that. So there's one right there, and then there's definitely one on the other side, and there may also be one in the middle. But you want to make sure that you tuck those in so that you anchor the device. And there's not one in the middle, it's only on the two sides. So tuck that in. And do that. And now we're at the finishing touches here. So this is going to have little holes for the seatbelt here. So you can go ahead and pull the little seatbelt through and then use the little seatbelt that it comes with. Make sure you plug it in correctly. And now you can strap your dog to this, and this is adjustable as well, by the way. And then for this right here, we're gonna loop this over through here. Then we're going to hook one end to this side, and then the other end to this side, And now we have a wall right here with 2 zippers on both sides here. So it's kind of self-contained. Now I like to only install this wall on one side so the dog can still jump in on the other. That's just personal preference though. So there you have it, a hard cover back seat extender. Super easy to use, and when you're finished with it, we personally keep it in all the time, but you can pack it right up and put it back in that little carrying case for super easy transportability. So Winnie, you want to do us the honors? Come on, girl. Come on. So it looks like she likes it. And then you can take the seatbelt here and put this on her. So now she is nice and secure in her back seat here, which is absolutely perfect. And that hard bottom, so she's not slipping all over the place. And most importantly, she's not tearing up the leather. So check it out, and thanks for being such a good sport, Winnie.